Today I will teach you how to use Pia S5 Proxy with HydraHeaders tutorial. First, open the client to extract the proxy IP. Select the proxy IP and right-click to select the port. Click the port forwarding list below to copy the selected proxy IP. Then open HydraHeaders, click Proxies. Click to add proxy. Enter a name and paste the proxy IP and port into it. Proxy type selection SOX 5. Click Save. Then click Profiles. Create profile. Enter a name and select the proxy you just set up. Click Save. Click Start. Now the proxy is set up.